Hello children, welcome to online classes from Monbashir School as I am your English teacher. So today I am going to take English literature of class 2. As in last class, I have already explained chapter 2, the first page, page number 16, right, in the chapter. Now today I am going to explain you page number 17. Let's start the class. As I am teaching second chapter for my babies, right? Page number 16 I have already explained you. So today I am going to explain page number 17. First I am going to read. See properly. Sarah's ribbon did fly away. A little bird flew away with it. The smart little bird saw the red ribbon on the table. The ribbon looked soft. So the bird carried it away in its beak. The little bird wanted to tear it and use it to make her nest soft. Sarah looked out of the window at the tree outside. There she saw something red in a nest. Sarah, look, Mummy, there's my ribbon. Mummy, yes, there it is. Never mind. The little bird wants to make her nest soft for her eggs. Soon baby birds will come out of the eggs. Let her keep it. I will get you a new ribbon. So what the happening in the story? As girl is searching her ribbon where she kept on the table, she is not getting it, and where she found Sarah's ribbon did fly away. A little bird flew away. A little bird, see in the book is little bird flew away and taken the ribbon in her beak. Where this is what nest. So what maybe happen? The smart little bird saw the ribbon, the red ribbon on the table. The ribbon was what? Soft, as you know. So the bird carried it away. Where it carried? In its beak, right? And the little bird, why it carried? And little bird wanted to tear it into pieces. Why to do so? Because he wants to make her nest soft. Soft for what? For her babies who is going to come out. Understood? So Sarah look out of the window look out the window at the tree outside. There she saw something red in the nest. See? So the mummy, look mummy, there's my ribbon. Sarah saw the ribbon. So mummy, to calm, very good. All mummies are good only, right? Say yes. There it is. Never mind. The little bird wanted to make her nest soft. Soft for whom? For her egg. Soon baby birds will come out of the egg. Let her keep it. Let the bird to keep it. Have the ribbon. Make her nest soft. Okay. And mummy said, I will get you a new ribbon. And the ribbon was taken by whom? By the bird. That the story finished. It's a beautiful story between a mother and a daughter. Understood? Now, what? Underline the hard word spelling. Underline the hard word in this page number 17. Start, student. Little, first line. Little flew. Done. Smart bird table looked carrot beak wanted nest window tree outside something mummy never mind. Okay, you have, I hope so you have you have underlined all these words. Never mind at the last. Never mind. The mummy. Yes, there it is. So after that is it never mind. Underline never mind. Okay. Today your homework is to go through chapter 2nd in English literature. Go have the reading. 2 time, 3 time read it. Okay. Read your own. Try to understand again. And wait for my next video. Stay home. Stay safe.